We need volume to produce urns for the governments. Then if we have volume, we can manage the cost, we can manage the delivery, we can manage the technique, and we also can manage the mix of products, that are completely subordinated to the well condition of the patient. Then our strategy is that we have a great technology platform of statistics. We have a wonderful strategy of costing. We have a extraordinary specialist people that design solutions for each new procedure that we introduce in our contracts. And well, because of that, the knowledge, of course, and the quality of service maintain us in the market. Then we have a 98% of hit rate of renovation contracts. Why? Because of that: people, technology, and knowledge.